Hey guys, I just woke up today and oh god, I couldn't sleep very well last night. राति चाहिँ बिचामा सुत्ने उठ्ने भइरहेको थियो and normally I get up before 7:30 and today I think I woke up at 7. I don't see bad dreams as well. No idea, I am not sleeping very well. One of my subscriber, I don't know it's he or she, that person's name is Purna, but it's a Nepalese name, so I'm a little bit confused. I think it's he, so please correct me if I'm wrong. That person commented me that the way I vlog is kind of like in a weird angle. I don't know if you guys noticed, but when he said that, I also went back and checked my vlog, and yeah, it was a little bit in a crooked weird angle. So thank you for letting me know that. It really helps. I have ordered a tripod long time ago when I bought this camera online, so I was waiting for it and it took forever, so I checked back. It's from eBay and it was from Hong Kong. That's why it's taking so long, and when I checked the delivery date, it says it will be delivered before end of March. Seriously? So I was like, I replied that person saying that this is going on. But yesterday I was, you know, checking for my hand stick, because I noticed you have these kind of screw in hand stick as well, and bingo guys, this one fits in my camera and I will show you. Wait a second. So right now I'm using the selfie stick as a tripod. You can hold it like this and you can have a perfect angle, you know what I mean. Oh my god, the lighting, it's so horrible. Okay, so much better now. So as you guys can see, it's so much better now. Thank you Purna for commenting, and I really appreciate that. I also like people when they, you know, comment if something is wrong. You are like my friend now, because sometimes we have, you know, food on our face, and if you are not a good friend and you won't tell what's going on, then you will look silly. So basically you helped me with my vlogging channel, so thank you so much. By the way, look at the windows guys. Ooh, it's so beautiful. At the same time it's kind of cool. Yay, look at what I did. I wrote my name. I think one of the reason I couldn't sleep very well yesterday, मैले हिजो चाहिँ 30 minutes को cardio workout गरेको थिए. I didn't vlog it, but I promise I did it, and I'm so proud of myself. I think it's because of that. After doing the exercise, I was feeling so tired and I wanted to take a nap, but I was like, no girl, no naps, because you will mess up your sleep cycle. So that's what I did. I didn't took the nap, and when I came to the bed, I couldn't sleep. जब म सुत्न चाहेको थिए तब चाहिँ म सुत्न पाएको थिएन, and जब म सुत्न पर्छ भनेर म ट्राई गर्दै थिए तब म सुत्न सकेको थिएन. And seriously guys, I was so annoyed, and the whole night I was like turning here and there. I slept, but I didn't sleep very well, so I'm kind of tired. Well, that's it guys. I'm gonna get ready for today. I just got ready guys, and I want to give you an update about these Olay day and night skincare. And seriously guys, these stuffs are hands down. I got this one on offer from B&M. My friend recommended me to buy this when we went shopping. I have uploaded that vlog as well, but she said give it a try, and really guys, I just love the results. I've been using this for 3 or 4 days now, and my skin is so dry, to be honest. It's kind of like a, you know, flaky, little bit flaky around my nose and around my chin area, forehead. It's kind of flaky. I tried everything and nothing worked, but this stuff, Olay, it works like magic. I apply this before going to bed, the night cream, and the day cream I applied before doing my makeup, and I just love it guys. You guys must give it a try. It's called Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Anti-Aging Moisturizer Cream SPF 15. You can buy this separately from Superdrug or Boots as well if you can't find it in B&M. And the other one is Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Night Forming Moisturizer. So yesterday I uploaded my vlog before going to the bed, and let's check. What the hell? It says share failed. Oh my good god. It's gonna be a late vlog day today, guys. I know why this is happening. I didn't tell you guys, but we have upgraded our broadband service. We used to have fast broadband, now we have faster fiber, so it's gonna be so much better. That's what they said. Our network is from TalkTalk. I think broadband changed at midnight. Between that changing period, I think my video got interrupted. So I'm gonna try to re-upload it. I don't know how fast is this broadband, cause last one it was really bad. So I will re-upload the video. There you go, guys. I hope it will work this time. It says it will take only 4 minutes to write the video. I don't know what's that writing. I really don't know what's going on, but if it's gonna upload in 4 minutes, my goodness, guys, I will be over the moon. So I told you it's going to upload in 4 minutes, but it's saying 9 minutes, guys, and I checked my account and something is fishy. Something is going wrong, so I'm gonna look what's going on. So update, guys, sad news, my broadband didn't change yesterday night. I'm chatting with a TalkTalk agent online, and seriously, guys, I don't know, it's careless or something went wrong from my side. I'm chatting with her and she said she will help me with going live so that my broadband is fast. Okay, guys, I just finished chatting with the agent and she said that my faster fiber will be up by today midnight, not yesterday midnight. Boo boo, guys, but I cannot understand why my video got interrupted. It's really sad, but I'm trying to re-upload it, guys. Please stay tuned for that. It's a sunny day today, guys, so I decided to do my laundry today because it's winter time and I have to check the weather if it's nice or not to wash my clothes, guys. Because we don't have any tumble machine. I'm gonna dry this, and these are my clothespins. I also got this one from Nepal and it's made of stainless steel, and the lady who was selling this, she said this won't be, you know, rusting or anything, so I got it. It was really cheap as well. Look at this, it's made of steel, and stainless steel, I suppose they don't get rusty, so finger crossed, guys. I'm gonna give it a try. Wow, guys, the video is up now. I just cannot believe it only took 2 hours to upload the video. Normally it takes 7 to 8 hours. I'm not kidding, guys, but it's my lucky day today. Yes, I'm gonna make it public since it is unlisted now. Just finished hanging all my clothes and look at the weather, guys. It's so lovely. UK's weather is so nice when it's summer. Look at that, it's so sunny. I hope it will be a very sunny day so my clothes will dry within today. It's lunchtime, guys, and these are my salads: chopped tomato and chopped radish, and my food is warming up. I had some leftovers, so I will show you that in a bit. So this is my lunch. I've got pork curry, simbira aloo ko tarkari, and then dal and some rice. So that's my lunch. So right now I'm free, guys, and I'm going to watch this movie which is called Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. I love to watch old movies. I watched this movie when I was very young and I remember this movie being very good. I forgot all the story, but I just remember it was a good movie, so I really want to watch this movie and chill around. Okay, guys, I want to let you guys know that since I came back from Nepal, I have gained a lot of weight. So right now I'm in a process to lose weight again, and I'm trying to eat healthy. I try to eat 4 to 5 times a day. I like to eat 3 big meals and then 2 snacks. That's how I'm trying to lose weight. I am over 90 kgs right now. Every time I go back to Nepal, I gain weight. I know That's not my fault. That's the food over there. Because you can't resist the food, guys. It's so good. I just love momo, chow mein, anything, you know, pizza, pani puri. I ate everything and it was so good. How can you say no to delicious food, especially when you go back to your country and you are there for a while? So I just ate everything. I used to order the whole menu. So that's why I gained some weight. Since I'm back here, I'm trying to lose weight and I have lost 2 kgs so far and I'm really proud of myself. I'm also trying to include cardio dance workout in my daily routine. So that's the update for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs and I love you all. Please make sure to like, share and comment. Bye.